Hey, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Marquise, Meda, joined by Mac. Obviously, we're in Dino Digs and we're digging up fossils, but what is behind us?
This is an Edmontosaurus annectans, and these are actually fossils from that same dinosaur. And we are able to bring these out as a part of our Dig Deeper program. And people can have the unique opportunity to get hands-on experience with these prehistoric specimens.
This looks like, you were saying this earlier, it looks like a giant baseball bat, huh?
Yeah, it for sure does. And in the essence of paleontology, we're not 100% sure what it is yet. I believe that this is part of the ischium, which is a part of the pelvis right back here, kind of that lower portion there. This one is probably a part of the scapula, which is on the opposite side of the body. When something fossilizes, it actually exchanges ingredients with all of the materials around it, which means there was a lot of pyrite in the sediment, and pyrite rusts.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what these fossils are doing. As they interact with oxygen over time, they're going to rust and turn into almost bone powder, which is very important to prep them fast so that you can delay that process. You can see it along our entire specimen collection here. We have our pièce de résistance here. This is our tibia, which is a very large and very heavy part of our Edmontosaurus collection. And there was a recent paper published that has really interesting tidbits about a new specimen. It's been dubbed an Edmontosaurus mummy.
Okay.
It's a little different than our human mummies that we have.
Of course.
But essentially, during that fossilization process, you're also getting a layer of clay on top of the entire dinosaur after it has died. What this lets us do is it actually creates a negative image of all the soft tissue. So we know that these guys had a bunch of scales. They had a spike ridge along their back that continued all the way to the end of the tail. And my favorite part is these guys had hooves.
Really?
Yes.
Almost like horses, right?
Yeah, horses or cows. So they have hooves, they live in herds, and they eat plants. So they're almost like horses or cows, which is pretty cool. The comparison between these guys and modern creatures isn't that far apart. They're very, very similar, even though they're a lot bigger and they get eaten by T-Rex.
So from head to tail, how big are these guys?
These guys are about 30 feet long. They were huge Edmontosaurus. And of course, we have some baby specimens as well, some littler ones. When we have specimens in what's called a bone bed, you have a bunch of these guys that died all at the same time, and so their bones are scattered in a very small place. So you can find all types of Edmontosaurus of all different sizes and ages, which really lends itself to these guys being one of the most common fossils found in the Hell Creek Formation.
I'm hoping that you guys can come join us at the Orlando Science Center throughout the month of December, where it's Paleontology Month. But we also have Fossil Fest on the 27th and the 28th, just in case you guys want to dig a little bit deeper and uncover what's before us right here or any other information about dinosaurs as well. We hope to see you guys all rather soon.